Welcome to Mamila Life Vlog. Today's vlog, we are going to Davao City. Dito na ako guys sa Davao International Airport. Welcome to Davao City. Madayaw, Davao. Dito na kami guys sa hotel sa Dosit Thani, Davao. Guys, nandito ako sa Dosit Thani, Davao City. Ayan. Bilahin. Say hi. Anong gagawin ka? Thank you.
Ano yun? May sariling boat?
Maraming tinda-tinda dito guys. Yung mga sa chocolate, sa Malagos chocolate, yung mga native products ng Davao at saka yung South Pearl available din.
medical topics with the special participation of eCancer, a non-profit organization from UU. We have received a grant from them and we're very grateful, and I hope they will sponsor us again for the second time, focusing on multiple myeloma. Indeed, the topics are clearly stated in the mnemonic Davao, meaning driving advances, breakthroughs, and advocacies in wellness. So I think that's kaya Davao ang pagkasabi, no? To the organizing committee, especially the Davao Group, for the tireless support to the PCHDM ORCOM, may we now give a round of applause to our Davao Hematology counterparts, please. For making the experience a memorable one with the colors of Davao, a mixture of tribal heritage, gourmet food, I'm stoked, right? Gourmet food, especially the foods of Davao, represented by durian. I'm sure you saw the durian sculpture in the airport. That's well typified in the airport. And of course, now we wait what they prepared for the team building. A surprise indeed. Let's now formally open this event and simply enjoy, learn, appreciate the taste of Davao. Thank you in behalf of the entire PCHDM ORCOM, but just not to forget that also appreciate the presence
Thank you
of
guys
Miss
for
Davao.
watching.
Kamusta,
Bye!
ma'am? She's very curious about what doctors do. So